The team that delivered dashboard snapshots straight to your inbox now brings you a single place to manage all your subscriptions at once. To view your subscriptions, open the More Actions menu in the top bar of any dashboard and select My Subscriptions. Here you'll see every subscription in one list: the last run status, next scheduled date, who's receiving it, and any restrictions. If you have several subscriptions, you can filter your view to see all the subscriptions, just the ones you own, or the ones you're subscribed to. Or use the search field to quickly find a subscription for a specific dashboard. Each has its own Actions menu. If you're the dashboard editor, you can select Edit to update the schedule details, recipient list, or delete the subscription for everyone. Or select Run Now to send an ad hoc snapshot email right away, so you don't need to wait for an update or open individual dashboards. Anyone on the list can unsubscribe to remove their name from the recipients list. If you need to subscribe again later, just reach out to a dashboard editor. With My Subscriptions, there's no more digging through dashboards or inboxes. Keep track of everything you follow, own, and send with ease.